the alpha test. It's going to be a tricky glue up. It's tricky because these pieces are separate. So I don't know if I'm going to need some sort of spacer that I have here so that I can clamp the rest of the carcass together. So I'm just figuring out how the heck I'm going to do that.
How's this going? How close are we to like getting desk going?
We're getting there. Actually, we have a couple desktops right over there that just went through the finishing department. So what do you think? They look pretty good.
Oh, these are all finished and everything?
Finished.
And these are from our new finger jointer, I'm assuming.
These are from our new finger joiner. Yep.
Okay. They definitely look better than the ones we were doing by hand. That's
Some of those connections that we saw, where the fingers got washed out and stuff.
No, I think it's nice.
Nice and smooth. Cherry looks good on the other side too. And so, you know, when we do some of these finishing tests, this is where we sort of figure out exactly the things that we need to finish.
Yep.
For example, I was curious if we could get away with not doing a lot of detail sanding there, but it's pretty rough. So I think we're gonna have to.
Oh yeah. You happy with it?
Pretty happy, yeah.
You feel good?
For the very first finished desks, I think these came out great.
You're doing great work.
Thanks, man.
Sunshine that would finally show. I might die if I stay in this cold.
Hey!
You're on the floor?
Yeah, I'm on the floor.
You're never on the floor.
Working. Lumber optimization.
Yeah. Oh, I was so confused. I was like, why does this bunk look so good?
It's finger jointed.
Finger jointed.
That should come out. It should just kiss the sides. Be basically 100% yield. Is there any way we can tighten that up?
Not that I know of.
So what I'm looking at is, this is waste.
Yep.
This is yield. And then there's also the kerf, which is the thickness of the blade. I would love this. I would love these to be as narrow as possible. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. It does taper. Does it tell you board by board what the waste is? I believe so.
Board yield, 78.4%.
That was this last one that just went through?
Yep, so basically it's telling us we lost roughly 21%.
Right.
That seems like a lot.
Well, it does for nice straight material like this.
Yeah.
21%,
Yeah.
you know, it's probably that much of this bunk is just gonna get essentially put in the grinder. Yeah. Let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm in a war. I'm in a war against wood waste.
Yeah.
It starts with these. Here's
Right.
a bunk.
Right.
Right now, we don't have a way to associate the parts we're making to the bunk it came from. Look at this bunk. How long is this bunk? Probably, we'll call that a 6-foot bunk. The one below it, probably 8 feet.
8, 10.
Something like that. Which of those will yield better?
It depends on what product you're making.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. It depends on what product we're making. So trying to understand, okay, well, these are the products we're making. What length of bunk should we buy? Also, like if we come over here and go visit Ty, everyone loves Ty.
Oh yeah.
Everyone loves Ty.
Good morning.
How's it going, everybody? Finger joint. This is where the waste theoretically goes. Yes, to be unwasted. Can you walk Matt through? Yeah, absolutely. Matt, get a tour of this. This machine can make kind of any length we want. What length do we want?
I don't know.
We don't know. What length are we making them currently? 8.5 feet currently. And that's just like, we pulled that out of our ass. Anyway, go ahead. Ty, give a walk around. Welcome to Finger Jointer.
Great.
Salad fingers, as we, our finger jointer is really a 3-part machine.
Okay.
Composed of 2 of these FL08 machines. What happens is we'll load this up. Once we have a nice full row, we can auto feed.
Whoa.
Track down. You're gonna get a nice cut on that side.
So this blade cuts the little fingers.
Yep. And then what happens on this side is the same process. As you can see, it'll come right through here. Glue on this side.
Okay, yeah.
The thing about this machine is it makes pretty much matching fronts and backs. Cutting our fingers, applying our glue, and this has a nice little feature.
What? So it just smashes them all together.
Boom! It'll chop it and spit us out a nice fresh board.
Pretty much already stuck together. You can just move it around as... What?
It's just got a cure, and that way we can cut it and let the vibrations hit it without it shattering. Get ready for its new life as a topper.
That's awesome.
It's a quick little process. She has her quirks.
Yeah.
She has a lot of machines at once.
Yeah.
But, you know, she does a really good job. We used to say I can make it shorter, but I can't make it longer, but
Yeah,
turns
right.
out I'm true. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thanks, Ty.
Of course, enjoy.
Fucked up in the
Kind of stupid.
Oh, did it think it was one board?
It thought it was one board. Ah, see? So anyway, waste begins at the lumber mill. Like, how is the lumber coming to the plant? What I'm working on right now, the data model or the process to associate our output to the bunk. I understand my yield at this saw. I understand my yield at this chop.
Yep.
But I don't understand how that translates to the bunk. And if I can understand the bunks better, I can order my wood better. And if I order my wood better, we'll get better yields. If I'm trying to cut 5-inch wide boards,
Yep.
and these guys have 9-inch wide boards to work with, you're swimming uphill. You're automatically gonna have like a 40% waste off the bat.
Because you're losing like 4 inches.
Right.
Because you just want 5.
You're gonna take that 9-inch board, you'll get one 5-inch section.
Yeah.
The rest of it gets wasted out.
So are you suggesting you would buy bunks that are all the same length?
So you can do a couple things. Right now, what we do is we get random length, random width.
To save money?
The more specific you get with the mill, the higher they make the price.
Right.
But is it penny wise, pound foolish? It's like you saved 10 cents a board foot, but then you had a 20% worse yield.
Yeah, you ground it all up anyway and threw it away, so
Right.
did you actually save?
This is where the money is. All this used to be in here. See, we're still throwing away too much.
Would you rip these again and then finger joint them?
Yeah, I think we have to have a yes.
That's a lot.
It's a lot of labor, but Wyrmwood now spends more on materials than labor. Yeah, like that's good wood.
Yeah.
It's good. Just call that 4 feet. Call that 4 feet. Call it 3 feet. So this is 48 cubic feet. How many board feet in a cubic foot? The answer is 12. So this is 576 board feet of walnut. This is $2,800 worth of walnut right here. Every one of these pallets you save is like $2,500.
That's not nothing.
It's the whole name of the game.
We were throwing all that away.
This is all getting thrown away or ground up. And now because we have this machine, did you watch it work, by the way? This is really cool.
It's crazy that it just slams them all together and then you can instantly just pick it up like it's a regular board and move it.
It has fuck you energy.
The thing that's crazy is that we were throwing all that away and still paying someone to come take the dumpsters.
And this machine took something like 9 months to get here.
Yeah.
And then it took like a month or 2 to set up. So that's the pain. We're still wasting.
We're getting there. We're doing good. We're doing better.
We're doing better.
Forget yesterday. We'll make the great escape. We won't hear a word they say. They don't know us anyway. Watch it put.
What am I looking at?
Skeleton sketch.
Skeleton
This is where the
sketch.
magic happens in CAD.
Okay.
If you're a top-down kind of guy, not a bottom-up kind of guy.
I'm learning how
Are you
to.
complaining again?
I'm learning how to CAD.
Jay, why would...
I'm not complaining. I was explaining. He asked me. I didn't bring this up.
I did CAD in high school.
Really?
Yeah.
Shipping! That's what we need to... Shipping efficiencies too. You can just waste so much money. Shipping is expensive. 11 to 12% of our total revenue is shipping cost.
And that's all domestic.
Right. Never mind these foreigners.
That's why we don't ship to.
That's why we don't deal with anybody
Come
else.
to America.
Yes.
Pick it up.
Yep.
And then drive it home.
Right. You'll be happier. Come to America, buy an SUV, move to Texas, go to Buc-ee's, purchase an AR-15, and buy a modular game table.
You'll feel better.
You'll feel like freedom. And that feels better.